Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how can you get back your Wi-Fi icon in your control center if it is missing. So guys, if you're using any iPhone and you are missing this Wi-Fi widget from your control center, so as you will see that I am going to delete this one, and now I can add this tab on my iPhone. So guys, as you can see here, you can easily get this. You need to click and hold your control center and click on add a control. And guys, after this you can see multiple options here, but you need to scroll it below, and here you can see the option of connectivity. Click on it, and guys, you can see there I have added this, and you can customize your control center as you want. So guys, you can set here, and I am now you can see that I have added successfully iPhone Wi-Fi widget on my control center. So guys, this is the way. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.